Hi, this is Tamia Wilkerson with Home Plus Services. I am here at a property where we started helping to prepare for a Section 8 inspection. As I said, we're all about giving back and helping. So right now we've organized a lot, and we're hoping the next step will be to put some things online and help teach him how he can make money on some of his belongings, as well as declutter. So hopefully anyone interested, this is one part of what we're doing, giving back, and there is a fee, but it is very reasonable, and we're here to work and help to transition you. So whenever you have a chance, definitely, here I'm going to put him on so he can give a recommendation.
Hello.
Your name or?
My name is Bruce Bryant.
And you're satisfied, or?
I specify the people that help me out, and I really appreciate their help and their time. So hoping that things will be a lot better, that I may need their help in the future. And maybe if somebody else that I know that might need help, I'll send them right to them.
All right. Thank you. All right, so once again, thank you, and hopefully anyone that needs help, please give me a call, 856-308-5606. All right, talk to you later. Bye.